Tired of complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your ultimate kitchen game changer, making gourmet meals effortless. This incredible appliance replaces 9 different kitchen gadgets, acting as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek design. With 15 customizable smart programs like soup, meat, /stew, and bake, you can achieve perfect results with just the touch of a button. No guessing required. Imagine cooking tender ribs in minutes or perfectly fluffy rice every time. These programs simplify even complex recipes. The durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking, and cleanup is an absolute breeze, unlike non-stick alternatives. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and intuitive controls, offering peace of mind and incredible cooking precision. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen appliances and save precious time, this electric pressure cooker is a smart investment. Ready to transform your meal prep? Find the best deal and purchase your own Instant Pot Duo Plus via the Amazon link in the description below. Say goodbye to counter clutter and hello to delicious homemade meals made fast, perfect for busy individuals or families. For unparalleled versatility, speed, and flavor, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly the best kitchen gadget to buy in 2025.